Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to show hidden files and folders on your Mac. If you want to find hidden files and folders on your Mac, then just go into your Finder. Now open any folder, like I'm gonna just open my disk, and then click on Shift, Command and period key, and you can see that all of the hidden folders have appeared. Now you can access them by clicking on them, but remember that you may break something. They are hidden for a reason, so only unhide them if you know what you're doing. And you can see that it's across your whole system, so whenever you go into any other folder, you will also see the hidden folders within that folder, if there are any. And that's how you do that. To disable it, click on Shift, Command, and period again. And that's how you do it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.